Hello, dear children. Today we will discuss three-letter blends, also called CVC blends, that is, consonant vowel consonant blends. In this lesson, we will be discussing words with short A sound. Do you know what is short A sound? It is A. Before we begin, let's have a look at the two-letter blends with short A sound. Ba, ga, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, ga, la, ma, na, pa, ra, sa, ta, wa, ya, za. Now we will discuss three-letter blends. For three-letter blends, we need to say the first two letters together and then blend it with the third letter. That is, in this example, ba blended with T makes bat. Bat, bat. Bad, bad. Bag, bag. Ban, ban. Bap, bap. Gap, gap. Gap, gap. Cam, cam. Cat, cat. Can, can. Fab, fab. Fat, fat. Fan, fan. Fax, fax. Gap, gap. Gas, gas. Gag, gag. Has, has. Had, had. Ham, ham. Hat, hat. Jam, jam. Jab, jab. Jazz, jazz. Lab, lab. Lad, lad. Lamb, lamb. Lag, lag. Mad, mad. Man, man. Map, map. Max, max. Nap, nap. Nag, nag. Nab, nab. Bad, bad. Bal, bal. Ban, ban. Bat, bat. Sad, sad. Sam, sam. Sag, sag. Sad, sad. Dab, dab. Dam, dam. Dag, dag. Dat, dat. Dab, dab. Dan, dan. Ran, ran. Rat, rat. Yam, yam. Yak, yak. Zap, zap. Zag, zag. Thank you for watching.
Hello teachers, welcome to our Jolly Phonics learning series. If you want your students to learn English in a simple, fun and effective way, you've come to the right place. With the Jolly Phonics method, children learn letter sounds first. Then they blend sounds to read words and segment spell. It's simple, fun, and helps everyone become a confident reader. Every lesson includes letter sounds, blending, segmenting, reading, writing, and fun activities. Step by step, your students will become confident English readers and writers. If this lesson helped you, please subscribe to our channel. Download today's free worksheet from the description box and use it in your classroom. See you in the next Jolly Phonics lesson.